All right. So you should be at this point where you have your dimension in your kitchen elevation and they're looking something like this. So in order to add little more details to this elevation, so we are going to add some text with leader. So someone has to build this casework, they can able to get all the details they needed. So in order to do that, let's go in Annotate tab. And to add a leader with text, you will go in a text and you'll see you have a lot of options in leader and the alignment in here. So you can choose either of this. There is no right or wrong style, but you need to choose the one with two segments instead of curve or straight segment, because this looks more clean and strong. So I will choose two segment. And if you see here, there are multiple options to put on the leader. So leader at the top, leader at the top right, we will just keep the leader on the top left or center, whatever you want to prefer. I will just keep the way it is. You can change later if you're not happy with the way it looks, and then you can just select the alignment. I'll just keep top alignment and align to the left. So let's get started with adding a leader. So I'll just select this one and whatever it has there, I will click on this and I'll just come because it's a two segment. Once you click again, you will get things to type in. So I want to use a painted wooden pillar. A cabinet will be wooden piece. And if you notice, your text should be all capital. And if you see here, you get two blue points there so that you can just change the way you want to add in there. And then this you can just change. And this you can change it as well. So these are all the points wherever you have a blue points, and this you can just move wherever you want to move on with the move sign there. Now, if you want to add more text in here, what you can do, you can use copy or you can type in CO in your keyboard. You can just select copy. Select this, use copy. And once you see copy, you have multiple and constraint is checked. So you will understand what constraint I'm talking about. If you just select that, and if you just move the text below the way you want, like that, they all copied in the same line and they all align, right? So this way, it will help you to make your elevation clean and align together uh, and looks more convenient to read. Okay, so now you can just change, sorry, now you can just choose your text leader and change it wherever you want to. Click on that blue so that I want to fill in there. I want to use this. Don't move that. Just select and change wherever you want to put it. And then you can just edit all the text in here. So if you notice here, you have the filled leader, but if you don't have the filled reader, what you can do, you can just select that and go in edit type in properties panel, go in edit type, and in leader arrowhead, you will select arrow, just drop down that, and then you will have all that details. You will just select arrow filled 30 degree and you will say apply and okay. So your leader will look like this. Okay, So now let me just show you how you can add in there. Now, if you see, I have added all the details. So this is my subway tile with the backsplash with 1/8 inch grout. This is my battery powered sensor faucet. You can use a plastic laminate countertop. I'm using a plastic laminate countertop with 4-inch backsplash. You can use either quartz or a granite or any other material that you want to use in. Now, if you see here, this is like 30-inch stainless steel mouse that I have uh, rename it, but you are not able to see that, right? Because that's hidden behind that. So we will use a detail line to trace over that undermount sink so you can able to see in a dash line. Okay, so in order to do that, let's go in visual style. Is hidden right now, but we need to change to wireframe. So you will able to see your sink there. So we will just trace over this and then you can rename that sink like the way I see in here, right? So let's go in annotate again, use detail line and in a line style up on top in here, select hidden, not the hidden line, just select hidden and then just trace over it that shape. You can just change to arc to fit in there. Let's change that to back to the line. Here again, I'll change to arc, change to line again. And once you've done that, once you draw that, just go back to graphic display option and change to hidden again. And then you will see the sink in a dash line there. So overall with the detail, your elevation will look like this.